Hello, welcome to the demo lecture of Master Calculation course, the course that can make you super fast and super accurate in calculation and builds a stronger foundation in maths. And I am Swarnali Shaha from Welcome to Maths, your host in this journey. So let's start with solving some interesting questions. You see, look at these three questions. If you solve these three questions in traditional way, each question will take at least 1-2 minutes. And if you will solve all the three questions, it will take at least 3 to 5 minutes. But just imagine if you solve all the three questions very fast, mentally within seconds. So let's solve these three questions. So let's solve first question number 1. Here you see it's 116 into 114. Let's see how fast we solve this. Here you see that ones place the digits are here 6 and 4. So 6 into 4 is 24. And apart from 6 and 4, what's remaining here? The digits are 1 and 1, 1 and 1. That means it's 11. So what is the next number of 11? It's 12. So now 12 into 11 is 132. So it's 13224. That means 13,224. And you know this is our answer. Okay. So see how fast I solved this question. You know, this is the application of Ekadikena Purvena, the ancient Vedic maths technique. In what case will apply the Ekadikena Purvena Sutra? In all type of multiplication, you can not apply this sutra. Whenever you have this type of multiplication, just like here you see 116 into 114. Here the ones place digit, that is 6 and 4. 6 and 4, 6 plus 4 is 10. And apart from 6 and 4, the remaining digits are same, 11. Here you see 1 and 1, the remaining digits are same. In this type of case, in this type of multiplication, you can apply Ekadikena Purvena. For example, 78 into 72, there we also can apply Ekadikena Purvena Sutra. Okay, so now you see that here I am explaining you the methods and I wrote all the things so that it will take some more time. But imagine that if you have learned this method and just apply this method, then you will take how much time? Just you will count 6 and 4. 6 into 4 is 24. And apart from 6 and 4, what's remaining here? It's 1 and 1. That means 11 is remaining. And the next number of 11 is 12. So now 11 into 12 is 132. Okay. So how fast you solve this type of question if you learn this technique? What do you say? So now let's move on. Let's solve the next one. Question number 2, here we have a subtraction. You see here we'll subtract 5,783 from 54 lakhs. Such a big subtraction now. So here we'll solve the subtraction also within a few seconds. Okay. So let's solve this subtraction. You know, to solve this subtraction, we have to make a partition here. This side is going to left hand side and this is our right hand side. Okay. So here you see we in our subtrahend, that is the smaller one, the smaller number is a 4-digit number. So here in the right hand side we are leaving 4 zeros. That's why. Okay. So now let's solve this. Now for left hand side, what we have to do? For left hand side we will subtract 1 from the left hand side. Okay. That means our left hand side comes 539. Okay. And for right hand side, what we have to do? We will subtract 5 from 9, 7 from 9, 8 from 9 and 3 from 10. Okay. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 3 is 7. And you know it is our answer. 539,421,7. Okay. So see how fast I solved this subtraction. You know, it is the application of Nikhilam Sutra. Nikhilam Sutra. It is also a very important technique of Vedic maths, and in multiplication, divisions, subtraction, we'll apply this sutra. And in our course, we will discuss all the things in details. So now let's solve the next one. Next one is, you see, it's 10,007 square. So we have to solve 10,007 square. So if traditional way you will solve this, it will take so much time. But let's solve it just within a few seconds. Okay. So it's 10,007. So what is the close base number of 10,007? Is 10,000? Now 10,000 is the closed base of 10,000. And what is the difference between two? Here you see both the numbers is 10,007. So both the numbers here 10,007. So our difference should be 7. Okay, the same. So now let's find out the solution. You know, our solution has two parts. One is right hand side and another is left hand side. Okay. For right hand side, what we have to do, we will multiply the difference. That is 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49. But you see, in our base, there are 4 zeros. So that means our right hand side should be a 4-digit number. So for that, we have to put 2 zeros on the left side of 49. Okay. So it becomes a 4-digit number now. So it is our right hand side. And for left hand side, what we have to do? We will add these two, or you may add these two. Okay. But we have to write the cross answer. So 10,007 plus 7. That means 10,014. And let's combine these two. It is our answer. You know, it is our answer. Such a big answer. Okay. And here, you know, it is the application of base method. So what is base method? What is the base number? That all the things will be discussed in our course in details. So how are the methods? All the methods are so interesting and amazing now. And I know that you have enjoyed all the methods. You know, if you learn these amazing methods and if you had a good calculation skills, you will get always good marks in exam, not only in your school exams, also in competitive exams like maths olympiad, mental arithmetic competition, everywhere you will get good marks in exam. And you know, it improves your logical reasoning and mathematical reasoning and application skills also. And you know, day by day it increase your love for maths, and it, you know, it makes math so interesting. And these are the immediate advantages of these methods of the calculation. And you know, there are some other advantages also, like it increase your confidence. Yes, obviously, if you have a good calculation skill, it increase your confidence automatically. And you know, it boosts your memory and it stimulates your brain. And these are the long-term advantages of the amazing methods of calculation. So these are the advantages. And you know, in calculation, we have so many techniques. Modern scientific techniques, mental calculation techniques, Vedic maths techniques. In India, we are following some techniques. In US, UK, they are following some other techniques. So we have so many techniques, and sometimes students get confused. Actually, which technique where to use, they sometimes didn't understand. So that's why we have designed our master calculation course in such a way so that you get a clear idea that which technique where to use. You get a clear idea about it, and you will get a good foundation in math skill and in higher order thinking skill. So let's see the key features of master calculation course. You know, our course, the master calculation course, anyone who is 8 years and 8 years above, anyone can take this course. Now let's see the main things, the lectures. You know, in our course we have more than 50 compact concept lectures in recorded format. But not only that, we have more than 10 interactive live lectures for doubt solving. You send me the doubts and we will discuss all the doubts in our live session. And in our live session, we will discuss the higher order thinking skill questions also. And now let's see that which technique should we use in our course. You know, our course is a unique blend of Vedic maths technique, mental calculation techniques, and some modern scientific techniques. So that means in our course, you will get most effective calculation tools. Okay, and after learning, what is very important? After learning, practice is very important, because practice is the main key. Practice makes you the master. So that's why in our course, for practice, you will get more than 1,000 questions. And you know, after practice, what is important? After practice, self-evaluation is very important. So for that reason, in our course, we have periodic evaluation through tests. So you will get so many tests and you have to attend all the tests. And you know, after successful completion of our course, you will get a certificate from Welcome to Maths, that is Calculation Master Certificate. And not only that, you will get an e-book with another 1000 questions for practice. Now let's talk about the validity. I know you want to know about validity. You know, our course is a module based course. We have 8 modules. Whenever you scroll through our course page, you will get all the details. Okay, so if you do all the things in order, all the modules in order, then you will complete our course within 2 to 3 months. But you will get 1 year validity for revision and for extra practice, so that you would become a calculation master, just like all those students who have become calculation master before you. You can go through their and their parents' review, that how much they loved this course and they benefited from this course in the review section. So you can go through the review section and get all the reviews. Okay, so this is Master Calculation course. So if you want to learn maths in an innovative and interesting way, if you want to learn such amazing technique, such amazing calculation method with me, then join Master Calculation course. Okay, so see you in the class. Thank you very much.